Hello. We shall continue with our practice assessment to operate a computerized accounting system, Unit 31.2. We are up to Task 7. Task 7, we are to enter both purchase invoices and the credit note on the computer and save your work. Let's have a look at our invoices in our answer book on page 7, 6 and 5. So we begin with page 5. Six, and then our supplier credit note on page 7. Our supplier credit note on page 7, I have found that there is a slight error. It was calculated as the materials cost being $385 when it should be $285. Kindly correct the error in your answer book. The back will be $39.90 and the invoice total should be $324.90. Let's go back to our first invoice. And in Pastel Partner, on the drop down menus, we shall select Process and Suppliers. In our supplier invoice, we'll leave the invoice number as global, and as we tab into our supplier account search block, we again are given this option of selecting the new enhanced search feature. For suppliers, we can again select no, as we only have 3 suppliers, so we do not need an enhanced search feature. Don't forget to change the period to period 1, and then you change the date as at the 15th of July on your supplier invoice. Supplier invoice number we see is 0035964. We can leave the payment due date as a default. All purchases are to be made with the account number 2000 cost of sales purchases, and then we just change the description to that reflected on the supplier invoice, which will be JHF 782, followed by the quantity of units and the price per unit, 300 times 20 Rand, which equals 6,000. Tab to the last line, we see there is a 7% trade discount supplier has given us. So in your discount block at the top, you select 7%. Tab to the last line again, confirm that your totals are correct. Discount is 420, exclusive price is 5,580, tax is 781.20, and our total is 6,361 Rand 20 cents. Our totals agree on our invoices. We can complete the supplier invoice and Pastel Partner by selecting next document at the bottom and cancel the printing again. We can continue with the next supplier invoice in our answer book on page 6. And supply is FID 001. Our period and date remains the same. Our supplier invoice number you see is 96148. We can leave the payment due date as the default. select 2000, account number 2000 for cost of sales purchases. Change the description to the description of the item KF597, followed by the quantity and cost per item. 40 times 28 Rand 20, total being 1128. Okay, we have 9,581.70 exclusive price. We are given a trade discount of 4%. You can see there, we always put our trade discounts in the allocated discount block at the top. But we're also given a bulk discount. A bulk discount is a discount on the items. So we again use our 2000 cost of sales purchases, and in the description we put in bulk discount 3%, as it is on our invoice in the question book. And under price we put minus and the discount amount of 287.45. With a minus because this is an invoice, not a credit note. So we need to discount on our invoice of minus 287.45. Check your totals. With a discount of 371.77. Exclusive price of 8922.48, a tax of 1249.15. We have 14, so this is obviously a Pastel Partner VAT calculation error, and total of 10,171 Rand 63 cents. We got 62. Let's just double check that we've entered our pricing correctly. So the 1 cent is not because of our own error. Our pricing is correct, and the error occurs in the Pastel Partner VAT calculation, so it'll be acceptable. Then we can complete the invoice by selecting next document, cancel the printing. We have completed both invoices, so we can go to batch and update, select no to printing and update. In our document type we can change to return and debit. In Pastel Partner, supplier return and debit is our supplier credit note. Okay, please remember that. Supplier return and debit with supplier credit note. Go to your supplier credit note on page 7 of your answer book, and our supplier is WIT 001. Don't forget to change your period to period 1. and your date is the 15th of July still. Original invoice we do not have, we are not given it, so just use your tab key, and as you tab out you'll see this unallocated entry. We can accept it is an unallocated entry in our original invoice, so that is correct. We have a payment due date, the code will be 2000 again. Change the description to tools, followed by the quantity times the price per item. 3 times 100 is 300, that is correct. You see we are given a trade discount, so in the trade discount block we can put in 5%, tab to the last line again, confirm that all the totals are correct. Discount is 15, exclusive price is 285, the corrected pricing, tax is 39.90, and the totals is 324.90. Our supplier credit note is correct. We can complete the supplier credit note, turn in debit by selecting next document, cancel the printing, go to batch, because we have completed the one supplier credit note, return in debit, batch, update, so no to printing again, and select the update button, and that is our task 7 complete, and the end of this recording.